Hi guys, it's me again. I have to admit I'm not very much of a YouTuber actually. I know. I think I still have some kind of intention to be vlogging, but I really don't know what will happen, but that's the way it is. So I will tell you a little bit of what's been going on for the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks something. As you know, I left Sweden the 1st of August. My friend showed up a couple of weeks later and we went to Belgium. After that we traveled slowly through Germany, through the south of Poland. But when we was there in the south of Poland and after that Slovakia, it was, you know, there was bad weather all over. So we decided to let's go down to the coast of the Black Sea earlier, much earlier than we thought we would. And so we went, and when we came to Romania it was actually a little bit better weather, but it rained and it was like a little bit warmer, but not much. But then suddenly the weather changed in all Eastern Europe actually, and we have now been traveling along the coast of Romania and Bulgaria. Right now we are just outside a little city called Sosopol, I think the name is. It's really great. It's a bit late in the season here and everything has calmed down. All people tells us that in July or August is terrible here. You can't be here because it's too hot and it's too much people. But now in the middle of September it's perfect. The beach bars are actually closing down. Not all of them are open, but for us it's really nice. Let me see if I can show you Sosopol over there on the other side. And what can I say, it's really nice here. We've been, oh, I'm sinking in the sand. I have to move. We've been stopping at lots of places actually. We have had beach adventures and we had been parking in the center of some smaller cities. The bigger cities in Bulgaria, we didn't stop in them because they are too crowded. So Varna and Burgas we just passed. Now it seems that I have to go to Varna in a couple of days because I'm having some problem with my car. It's the yellow amber light, the engine light is on, and I got this check engine message, which I have. I have such a little thing, BDS connector, whatever it's called, ABD2 or something, I don't know. And I connected it and I downloaded the app, and I could see that it was, that the problem has to do something with the second cooler. I talked to my mech guy in Sweden and he told me to relax, that's not a big problem. But the engine isn't. The engine's like it's turning down a step. So I found a Fiat professional shop in Varna. So therefore on Thursday I have an appointment there and see if they can fix it. I've changed the circuit a couple of times, but the problem comes back. Somebody said it's the fan that is broken. Somebody had some other ideas, I don't know. We'll see about that on Thursday. It doesn't make me too worried. I read about lots of the yellow engine lights, and it doesn't worry me very much. What can I more tell you about the trip so far? People are like fishing here on the beach. It's cool. Here are a few jellyfishes, but I asked them. They don't. They are not dangerous, they told us. And here at this boat we've been, this is the second day here. It's real cool, real nice. And even me, that's not. I like to going into the water sometimes, but I'm not a beach fan actually. I hate lying on the beach. But here I can actually relax a little bit. I've been sitting in my chair in the sun on the beach and go for a swim now and then, and it's actually really great. Maybe I have to change my mind about beaches, I don't know. Well, it's really nice here, I can tell you that. And it's not crowded. You can buy not every day, but every second day or every third day I try to pick up some local street food. And here are those, you know, those small little fishes. I don't know, they are fried, deep fried, and you buy them for, I think there are about 100 grams. It's about 25 or 30 fish or something, and it costs nothing. It costs like how much is it? Like €2.50 or something. No, it's cheaper than that. It's about €1.50 only or something. It's really good, I like it. I like street food, I like to try local street food wherever I come. It's nice. So, finally I made a new little video though. So I hope you're having a nice time wherever you are. Please give me some feedback if you like, and please hit subscribe, and please hit the like button if you do. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.